Alright, I'm here with another layout out using the April kit. So I'm still working on April. Alright, and so that multicolored layer is Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story. This is my niece, my youngest sister's youngest, and she got a bike for her birthday. And this washi tape came in the kit. It's Cartabella Summer Market. I'm going to use this bird pattern, and that is Jen Hadfield's Hey Hello. When I'm done with these voiceovers, I'm going to go and do some more power washing. I need to do that too, but I need to do some more steam cleaning my tile because the grout is really nasty. Because they didn't clean anything before we moved in. It was, it looks clean, but it wasn't clean. And I like things nice and tidy. So I'm going to use some of Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story die cuts. Excuse me. And that tag is one of them. Oops, sorry, girl. I'm going to lay in your spot. Oh, okay. She likes to lay on the 3-drawer Sterilite container that I have. It's 3 drawers, 3 if it's 12 by 12, and that's where I keep my basil cardstock that is left over from each kit, and then my kits that I receive and have not used yet are in another. She likes to take her naps on that, the kitten does. Anyway, so I used some of my twine. Had that stuff for years, and I still have a ton left. It's from the Twinery. So I'm off to get a few other items I need. I got dressed this morning and I put my pants on and I got black spots. My pants look like they're filthy already, but it's because they got fabric softener, because that's what it smells like. I'm like, what? So I need to go see if I can. I'm going to change them because they look horrible. And I'm going to put them in, put some fabric laundry soap on there. Oh, that's my Facebook Messenger. Ooh. Oh. Mm-hmm. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to use my scallop scissors to cut a circle. Actually, I'm going to use it to cut a phrase bubble. I use a stencil for that. And then I also am going to do a circle as well. Oh, all right. And this is where I'm going to cut the circle. Actually, I don't need that anymore. Alright, so now that so the scallop is from a past kit. That one was from a kit before. And that bird with florals, that come from March kit too. Alright. So that happy birthday sticker that came from Jen Hadfield's sticker booklet from March kit as well. And the cupcake die cuts also are from Jen Hadfield. Those are the die cuts. And since it's a birthday, yay, I can use up these cupcakes. I was going to try to use that ice cream cone, but I don't use it. And I'm going to use that envelope with the flowers. This one, I put on some of the butterflies from the kit, which are Maggie Home Sweet Story, but then I decided to use the crystals that came in February kit. I think it was February, March. Maybe a March kit. Anyway, those are the butterflies I used. And then I decided to do a flight pattern with little loopies with the crystals, and it didn't go on quite right, but it was already on there, so I had to go with it. So I'm just going to go through. This is where I have everything from the kits that I have left over from February and March. And then I pulled some of the American Crafts thickers, and maybe not be all of those, but at any rate, I pulled those so I can find. Oh, see, I needed a couple different sized butterflies. I didn't want them all to be large, so I'm pulling these Vicky Bouton watercoloring stickers that are like from a while ago. And so, let me see here. The bicycle stickers, Cartabella Summer Market, and Celebrate, and Best Birthday Ever is American Crafts Hello Thickers. And I'm going to use some enamel dots, which are from My Mind's Eye, called My Heritage. Oops, that's... Oops, so I got 5 layouts done in the course of the weekend, and let's see here, today's Wednesday the 15th, so I worked on getting pictures and these videos ready for editing and voiceovers. So between Friday and Tuesday, I guess I did them. I did finish a layout I started on Monday yesterday, so yeah. So at least I'm keeping up and not uploading videos that of layouts that I've done 2 months ago. Keeping up with them. In my class, my last Zoom meeting for my class, this meeting endorsement 4 is today, so yay, I'll be totally done with that. I got all my assignments done and my homework done. I got the last one completed. She marked it complete yesterday, so yay. Now the rest of my summer break is my break. It's me, all for me. So yay. Anyway, so once I get my title down, that is going to pretty much complete my layout, other than I'm going to put down some enamel dots. And so I'm going to let you go ahead and finish watching. And when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye, guys.